So we've got a lovely plate there of mixed roast vegetables. Really versatile. I sometimes have that when I'm serving like a roast dinner or something like that, you know, veg on the side. Another favourite thing for me to do is get that with some pasta, mix that into some pasta and eat it. Really, really simple. Any selection of veg you want, you can see what I've got there. It's not going to take long. I'm going to bang it in the oven, walk away, come back, job done. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got a lovely selection here of veg. I mean, you can use whatever you want. Let's just take a look. So I've got maybe 3 cups of eggplant there. That's kind of the biggest amount I'm using. 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups of bell peppers, same amount of zucchini, and this roughly the same amount of mushrooms and some green beans. Maybe got a cup there of celery, just under. That's a cup of onions, 2 tomatoes, half a cup of olive oil, salt and pepper, tablespoon of garlic, and that's a tablespoon, slightly more actually, tablespoon and a bit of dried oregano. Now, I'm using oregano, but go for anything you want at all. Really simply, in a bowl, give it a mix. Okay, so I've got a large mixing bowl and I've popped the eggplant in already. We're just gonna go with our veg. Now look, you can use any amounts that you like of stuff, you know. So there goes my carrots, there goes my bell peppers, my mushrooms, the green beans, the zucchini, and then I've got that little bit of celery, the onion, probably an essential I would say, the tomatoes an essential, garlic, well definitely an essential that is, salt and pepper, the herb of choice I'm going with oregano, half a cup of olive oil to sort of just bring it all together. Now you can see that I've got my sexy glove on. I'm going to go in and give that a mix back in a minute. Okay, so nice little mix there. Like I say, I used oregano. Maybe you want to put some chili in there or something like that, you know, spice it up a little bit. Now, that's gone into an oven tray. I'm using metal. You can use ceramic or glass if you want, of course. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get that into a maximum heat oven. Just get your oven super hot. Preheat it. Don't put that into a cold oven. Nice hot oven. Middle shelf, chuck it in there. It's going to go in for about 20 minutes, but halfway through I'm going to go in and just give it a little mix just once. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, and there you go. Just really simple and fabulous, really tasty. So if you want, mix that with some pasta or something like that. It's delicious. Serve it as a side, you know, with some roast, you know, roast beef, roast lamb, roast chicken or something like that, you know, with your Sunday dinner perhaps. Yeah, chuck it in loads of different stuff. I love it, I love it. Really versatile. Keep safe, keep well. Hope you enjoy that one. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.